Hello children, do you know what is meant by national leaders? Because now we are going to see national leaders of India, and before that we should know what is meant by national leaders. Okay, so I am telling you. National leader means a man who is a respected leaders in national affairs. So here are some national leaders. Let's see the first one, Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 14 November of 1889. He was known for his affection for kids. So that is why Children's Day is celebrated as a tribute to Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He worked hard with the Mahatma Gandhi during the freedom struggle. He was a great leader and a master builder of modern India. Next is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak, born as a Gangadhar Tilak, was an Indian nationalist, teacher, and an independence activist. He was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. He founded and edited newspaper Kesari and Maharat. He was one of the first and strongest advocate of Swaraj. Mahatma Gandhi, father of nation, is a Mahatma Gandhi. His full name is Manohar Das Karamchand Gandhi. He born at Porbandar in Gujarat in October 2nd, 1869. He was the pioneer of Satyagraha. He also inspired all Indians to understand and learn resistance through non-violent civil disobedience. Next is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Also, he was a lawyer and influential political leader in the Indian independence movement. Chandra Bose. He was an Indian nationalist whose defiant patriotism made him a hero in India. He was an Indian freedom fighter and one of the causes to Indian freedom. He was known as Netaji. Next is Annie Besant. She was a British socialist, theosophist, women's rights activist, writer, educationist, and philanthropist. She encouraged Indian national consciousness, attacked caste and child marriage, and worked effectively for Indian education. Abdul Ghaffar Khan, also known as Badshah Khan, and Frontier Gandhi. He was an Indian independence activist against British colonial rule in India. He was a political and spiritual leader. B.R. Ambedkar means Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Babasaheb Ambedkar, was an Indian jurist, economist, politician, and social reformer. He was lawyer minister of Government of India. Thank you.